Guys and girls, welcome to Nazareto's channel. I have a Mercedes behind me, Mercedes GL450. It's 2016, and we're having a problem with the rear seats. So let me show you the issues and how I fix it. This is our GL450. This is a 2016 model with the problem like we're having here. I already figured out how to fix it. So this seat wouldn't go up. It's like it only goes this way and it gets stuck, right? And also we cannot pull this thing up. We cannot pull it out. So something is loose over here. We got to take this panel, and I want to show you what the problem was. I already fixed this, but if you're having a hard time with the rear seat and it doesn't go up, like it just gets stuck in this position, or for example when you pull this and the seat doesn't want to release, doesn't want to go up, well, you have to take this panel off. And in order to do that, let me show you. You need a screwdriver with this kind of tip right here, and you need to remove this panel in order to get access to like a bunch of cables that are going here inside. I'll show you right here. There's a screw, one here and one on the top, one on the top here. So we would have to remove these screws here, and we can remove that panel that we have. All right, so let's remove these screws here, and I'll show you what the issue was. The seat wouldn't go up. So there's one, and if you cannot get this angle because the seat doesn't want to go up, you know, it gets stuck, take a long screwdriver, and now you can remove that bolt, that screw. So now the screws are removed here. This panel can pop open. Also, you would need to remove this handle and just pull until this panel comes off. Now we're also having a problem opening this back, so the seat cannot be unfolded, but there's one screw holding this panel, so you might have to break it, you know. Once you remove this panel, there are two clips here. Remove the handle, and here's the problem. You're gonna shine the light. Come on, shine the light here. You see this piece right here? Let me show you. You see this piece right here? It's pretty much loose. Here, I will try to zoom in. See this piece right here? It's just loose. It's not supposed to be like this. There's like a little channel. It's supposed to sit in there. Slide in here. And in order to do that, we gotta remove this whole panel. So this plastic piece gotta come out. I'll show you how to fix it. All right, so move this panel on the side. You do not have to completely remove it, as long as you have access. And you see this piece right here, guys. You see this piece right here? It's supposed to sit inside this metal clip. All it is, you just gotta push it in. Let's see. Maybe grab some needle pliers or something, and take this part right here and just push it into place like this. You hear a little bit of click. All right, good. And make sure this cable is also clipped into this clip, and we're done, guys. So once you push this piece back into place into this metal clip, when you pull this handle, the seat's supposed to release, and there you go, the seat is released. Before, we couldn't get to this point, and it was very difficult because we were like all puzzled what's going on. So this piece right here it popped out of place, and there was no tension on this cable, so no matter what you do, this mechanism for some reason wasn't releasing the seat. And also, careful, All right, push the seat down a little bit. Okay, and also the other problem was we could not open this seat for some reason. So now we can fully open the seat. And apparently the problem, at least that's what we thought, and it worked, it was this little piece right here. So if you're having problem with your seats, make sure to take this panel off on this GL450. It sits on 2 clips right here and 2 screws on the side, but you do need a special star shape, like a screwdriver tip. All right, so now we repaired the seat. You can also pull this part right here. See, there's nothing like stuck here or anything, but yeah, that was our problem. Just simple problem like this. This piece popped out and caused a lot of problems. So now let's put it all together. As you see here, there are these clips. It clips in place. Here there's a screw, but I couldn't get access to it because the seat wouldn't open. So I end up just breaking this piece, not a big deal. Here it's all clips, it clips into place. And now we take our handle. Let's see. It sits like this. Okay, cool. And everything works. And all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift this up and we're gonna put these remaining 2 screws into here. And then 1 on the top. And it's okay, the other screw was broken, the piece was broken, not a big deal. It's still holding in place together very well. And now put this one in here. Just don't rip your leather, be careful. Just put your finger here, put your thumb here. All right, we're good. Let's lock it into place again. All right, I'm just gonna pull it down. All right, it folds, and if you want to fold it further, just pull the lever, and that's it. So yeah, well, we fixed the problem because this seat was stuck in this position, and we couldn't lift it up. We couldn't lift it this way, and this cable, like when we pull it, there was nothing happening. So the seat would only go like to this angle, and that's it. We were stuck. So that's how we fixed the problem. We removed this panel. We saw that there's this piece loose. Push it back into this like metal horns, and everything works. You know, saved us a trip going to the dealer or whatever. You know. So there you go. Now this rear seat, I'm gonna have to take it apart because this one mechanically doesn't want to go down. Take care of that seat later. I don't have time today. But the main thing was we needed to have this seat for the passengers, for our family and stuff. So we fixed it. Everything's fine. So very simple. You can do it yourself. Don't worry if you break some plastic. You can always replace plastic. But 2 screws here. Pop it out. See what's broken. Put it back together. All right. See you in the next video. And have a good day.